We went to Anas bin Malik and complained about the wrong. People were suffering at the hand of Hajjaj bin Yusuf. Anas bin Malik said, "Be patient till you meet your Lord. For no time will come upon you, but the time following it will be worse than it." I heard that from your Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Al Hadith Sahih Al Bukhari Hadith number 2190.